Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming authority. You must be the account owner or the guardian who set the restriction. Once done, gather the Nintendo account email, console serial, and proof of purchase. These speed up legitimate removal. Make sure the Parental Controls app or the console is nearby, and that you can access the registered phone or email for verification. This prevents wasted time and is the correct, authorized route to remove or change settings without attempting any unauthorized bypass. You should use official account tools next. Sign into the linked Nintendo account from a trusted device and check parental control settings. Once there, follow the on-screen recovery or reset prompts that require email or phone verification. This is why you prepared those details. If the PIN or credentials are lost, follow the platform's recovery flow rather than guessing codes. This protects the console and data and keeps changes logged and reversible through proper verification. If built-in recovery fails, contact Nintendo support directly and explain you are the account owner or guardian. You will provide the console serial, account email, and proof of purchase so support can verify identity and authorize removal or a factory reset where appropriate. Once you connect, follow their instructions and keep records of the case ID. If something goes wrong, do not use unofficial tools or methods. Instead, return to support with error details so they can safely resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.